Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to scan documents using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now tap on the new note icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a blank note where you can add text, photos, or scan documents. Next, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Tap on the camera or link icon, depending on your iPhone version. A menu will appear. Now tap on Scan Documents. Your camera will open automatically, ready to scan. Place the document you want to scan in front of your camera. Make sure it's well lit and visible. You'll notice that the camera automatically detects the edges of your document and highlights it with a yellow frame. Once it recognizes the document, it will automatically capture the scan. After the scan, you'll see a preview of your document, clear, white, and properly cropped, just like a PDF or paper sheet. If everything looks good, tap on the Done or Tick button in the corner. Now your scanned document is saved directly inside your note. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my future tech tips.